Zoroastrianism from the 17th of the 8th month of 1446. We can say that Yazidism predates Zoroastrianism. We can say that the Gathas, Yasna, Yashts, Visparad, Vendadad, and various Middle Persian, Gujarati, Pahlavi, and other language texts include other representation of something more ancient. It was not a new religion that such as Zarathustra considered to be sent. Magian, Achaemenid, Arsacid, Parsi, and lesser revivals brought their versions of the way he went. 7, 17, 21, 22, 24, 72, and other sacred numbers abound in the remains of what Alexander's men rent. It is not just about the life of a sanctioned messenger. It goes beyond the concepts of professional orders. It is about practical life and spiritual war. Thoughts, words, and deeds are each's decision towards restoration, counter-creation, heaven, and hell. And you may know my theory of Zoroastrianism puts it in the age of Taurus rather than the age of Aries. That Zarathustra was.